Our bulb planting kits from Taylor's give you absolutely everything you need to make the perfect early summer display with the classic purple alliums, but they also make a perfect gift. In the kit, you're going to get your galvanised planter that's got the riveted rope handles. You'll get your dehydrated, peat-free compost blocks, and you're going to get 3 of the Allium Ostara bulbs from Taylor's. The first step is to rehydrate your peat-free compost discs. So take all 4 of them, put them into a container with 1.4 litres of warm water, give it a stir, and then wait for 30 minutes. Once the compost is rehydrated, you are ready to plant your bulbs. The first step is to put some of the compost into the bottom of the container. Now, what we're looking for is a planting depth of about 3 times the depth of the bulb. And so we can measure that by simply placing them against the side of the pot, and we are roughly 3 times the depth. So then we can get on with putting our bulbs into the compost. We're going to go for an even spacing in that triangle shape, putting them pointy side up. And then you simply fill the rest of the container with your rehydrated compost. You'll find that you have exactly the right amount of compost for the size of the pot that you're using. And you can then firm that compost into place, give it a little water, and then simply wait until late spring, early summer, when those flowers will be blooming. Once you finish planting, you just need to put the container in a nice sunny spot in your garden, on the patio maybe. These are going to bloom for you around May and June time, which is perfect because it's right in between your spring flowers fading and just before that crazy full-on summer bloom that happens. They're going to grow to about 50 centimetres in height, and they have these wonderful broad strappy leaves on them. The pollinators are going to absolutely adore them. When the flowers are finished, you can actually leave the flower heads on. They look really interesting even with those faded flowers, but they are perennial, so they can come back for you year after year. And of course with this, what you could do is transplant those bulbs into your garden after they've finished flowering, and then you can use the container for something else next year. So why not try it yourself, or perhaps treat a friend with our bulb planting kits from Taylor's and YouGarden.